Hi, today I'm going to show you how I make the simplest yet most delicious carnivore snack, carnivore nachos. If you're new here, I am Jen. I am delighted to meet you, and I've experienced radical healing on a carnivore diet. I want to help you know simple ways to do the same. It's probably going to take me longer to do this intro than to show you how to make these. But let's go.
First, you've got to cook your bacon. I personally like to cook mine in the air fryer, mostly because it's easy. I can kind of set it and forget it, and it doesn't splatter all over everything. Then, on a plate, lay out one layer of pork rinds. Make sure that none of them are overlapping because any covered pork rind is not going to get toppings on it, and that would be a shame. Then you can either sprinkle on shredded cheese or do like I like to do, and you can shred your own. Once your bacon is cool enough, chop it into little bacon bits. Of course, be careful with your little fingies. It's honestly a miracle that I still have all 10 of mine. Sprinkle your bacon over the nachos, and if you want to get fancy, you can put even more cheese over top of this. Now you can also do any other topping you like. This is just what I prefer. The last step is to throw it in the microwave and let it run for 30 seconds. And that's it. See, I told you it was easy. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and catch me on Instagram where we can connect every day.